We requested a copy of a CCTV to the Chief Operating Officer of ECC Building Management Incorporation, Bayani Road, Fort Bonifacio, Taguig City, in the person of Lawrence Bernes Papila.
Yan sila?
Tapos po.
Paki-post nyo muna. So, sino yung nauna?
So ito pong nauna sir si Sergeant Democrito at yung pangalawa po si Sergeant Disler.
Okay, go ahead.
So ito lang po ang nabigay sa amin sir na CCTV copy kasi nag-consult sila sa lawyer din po nila. At yung log po ng hotel ay hindi po nabigay sa amin. So ito lang po, paki-play ulit sir. So yan lang po ang portion sir na yan, more or less 10 o'clock in the evening of September 16 po.
Okay.
September 16 sir. Ito is Saturday sir.
September 16 yan?
Yes sir.
Okay.
After the...
Wait. September 16 ng gabi?
Yes po sir.
Yung video na yan?
Yes po sir. After the raid sir. Kasi madaling araw po ng September 16. Hindi sir.
September 16, 12 o'clock yung operation eh.
Yes sir. So gabi sir sila nag-check-in po sa Espacio Hotel.
Before the operation.
After the operation
Hindi,
po,
anong
sir.
nangyari dito? After the operation.
Yes,
Correct,
sir.
after the operation. Sige.
So the following day sir, that is 10 o'clock in the evening sir. So ganito po sir. September 16 po ng madaling araw yung operation nila sir. So that is Saturday po. So 16 ng gabi nag-check-in po sila dyan sir. So ito sir, itong next video na ito, kinat na lang po namin ito. This is the following day, that is Sunday, September 17 ng gabi po. Yes sir, nag-check out na po sila dyan.
Check out na yan ng 17.
Yes po sir.
So yung 16 yung kanina.
Yung kanina po sir.
16 ng gabi yun. Doon
Yes,
sila
po.
nag-check-in.
Yes sir.
Okay, sige. Go ahead.
So this is this video sir is on September 17, that is Sunday evening. Almost 10 o'clock po. Yes sir, ang unang-una po sir nakita natin nung pagpasok nila yung aside doon sir sa mga suot nila, yung mga bit-bit po nila sir is halos pareho lang. And according to our validation sir, itong mga laman nitong mga touchy case na to or the baggages is yung pera po. According to sir sa mga revelations po of the other members of the operating team that executed affidavit para mapaliwanagan sir ang investigation natin.
Okay. Congressman Acop, sige.
Why is there a need for them to check in sa kwan? Hindi diretso sa headquarters nila.
That question sir I cannot answer for myself, but based on sir sa validation sir ng mga reports na dumadating sa amin, mayroon pong nag-utos na hindi mo na iligay yung pera diretso sa DSOU office.
Lang po na istorya.
Mr. Chair, based on the report, there are personnel allegedly involved, personnel from Office of the Chief PNP, NCRPO, and District Special Operations Unit of the Southern Police District. Mr. Chair, maaari po bang malaman kung sino yung sinasabing alleged involved personnel from the Office of the Chief PNP? Pwede po ba? Mr. Chair?
Chief PNP, please.
Mr. Chair, I would like to clarify that during the commission of the crime, there was no personnel who was assigned sa OCPNP. The person now assigned at OCPNP is Police Brigadier Mariano in response to the investigation being conducted. So I had him assigned to the office of the GPNP so as not to unnecessarily somehow give undue influence to the ongoing investigation. So to clarify matters, sir, during the commission of the crime, not one of our PNP personnel was assigned to the OCPNP, sir.
So very clear, Mr. Chair, kasi yung nabasa kong report, sinasabi allegedly there are personnel involved assigned sa Office of the Chief PNP. And being a retired police officer, nangyayari po talaga yon para malinaw sa lahat na usually, especially kapag officers at alleged involved sa isang insidente katulad nito, nire-relieve yan sa present assignment and floating status siya sa Office of the Chief PNP. So, very clear po na hindi siya involved during hindi siya assigned sa Office of the Chief PNP nung mangyari yung incident. Tama po ba, Chief PNP?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. At least malinaw po. Yung pong, Mr. Chair, pwede po bang malaman sino yung mga personnel, PNP personnel assigned from NCRPO? By the way, klaro ano po? Parang kung intindi po natin, babasahin ko yung report na nabasa ko. Parang sinasabi po kasi kung ang mga ito ay 44 personnel, hindi lahat assigned sa DSOU. Tama po ba, Mr. Chair? Merong assigned sa headquarters NCRPO?
Your Honor, to
Yes.
whom are you addressing that question? To the former SPD director or the NCRPO director?
Maybe for NCRPO director, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor, sir. With regards to personnel assigned at NCRPO headquarters, none, Your Honor.
So, ibig po sabihin, Mr. Chair, ang alleged involved personnel are all assigned with the DSOU, Southern Police District. Tama po ba?
No, Your Honor. There are personnel coming from Parañaque Police Station, particularly Tambo precinct of the Parañaque CPS, personnel from SPD WCPD, and personnel from SPD TMRU.
Okay. Klaro. Mr. Chair, thank you, General Nartates. So, yung pong personnel na nag-conduct or nag-serve ng search warrant, Mr. Chair, pwede po bang tumayo? Lahat po ng personnel na nag-serve ng search warrant, Mr. Chair.
Iba na lang.
General Mariano?
Congressman Busita, siguro we will be inviting other members of the PNP also to fill up the yung mga chairs dito. Sayang naman, no? Dito na po kayo maupo para hindi na po kami nahihirapan kapag we'll be asking for your presence dito para nakikita namin. Please.
PNCOs, please occupy the vacant seats. General Mariano?
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
So all in all, 44 yung involved dun sa serving ng search warrant.
Yes, Your Honor, kasama po yung taga Parañaque City Police Station, yung commander po sa led by Major Magsalos, and the SWAT team from the City Police Station.
So Mr. Chair, composite team pala tong nag-conduct ng nag-serve ng search warrant. Okay, gentlemen, you may take your seats. Sino po ang nag-lead ng pag-serve ng search warrant? Mr. Chair.
Mr. Sir, I'm the team leader during the implementation of the search warrant, Mr. Police
Yo-
Lieutenant Colonel Jolet Guevara, Mr. Chair.
Gibara.
Yes, Mr.
Police Lieutenant Colonel Gibara.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Based on the report, sinerve niyo yung search warrant on September 16 at around 1 o'clock in the morning. Tama ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Nabanggit din sa report na dina-activate ninyo yung body-worn camera. Yes or no?
I have no personal knowledge of that, Mr. Chair, because I'm not the one who's handling the body-worn camera. But my instruction is to adhere with the MC regarding the handling of body-worn camera, Mr. Chair.
So are you telling us na hindi mo alam pero ikaw ang team leader ng pag-serve ng
Yes,
search
Mr.
warrant?
Yes, Mr. Chair. But
Okay.
my instruction during the briefing, Mr. Chair, is very clear to adhere with the guidance regarding the usage of body worn camera, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, pwede po bang patayuin natin yung mayroong body worn camera during the
I think
operation?
the one assigned with the body worn camera was Patrolman Acosta. Yeah, ayan si what's her name? Julie. Patrolwoman
Patrolwoman Acosta, sir.
Julie Acosta. Speak louder, please.
Kyra Acosta, sir.
Ayun, siya yung assigned sa body worn camera. Kaso yung isa lang.
So
Isa
mag-isa
body
lang.
worn camera. Dapat at least dalawa yan in accordance with the ruling of the Supreme Court.
So very clear na may lapses na gadon, Mr. Chair. Pulisuma na Acosta.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, pwede po bang malaman kay Policewoman Acosta bakit niya din-activate yung body worn camera?
Your Honor, I was assigned to call the arresting officers to go upstairs po, Your Honor.
So anong relevance nun? Ba't kailangan patayin mo yung body worn camera? May nagbigay ba sa'yo ng instruction o wala? Meron, wala.
Tinatanong ka, ano,
Please be
Acosta?
reminded, Patrolwoman Acosta, under oath kayo. May nagbigay sa'yo ng instruction to deactivate body worn camera or wala?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino ang nag-utos sa'yo?
Police Major Quijana, Your Honor.
Police Major,
Quijana, Your Honor.
First Police Major Quijano. Quijana. Is it true na nagbigay ka ng instruction to deactivate body worn camera of patrolwoman Acosta?
Your Honor,
Please answer the question, yes or no?
no, Your Honor.
So, sino nagsisinungaling sa inyo? Siyempre, contradicting yung inyong response reply.
Wala po akong instruction, Your Honor, na i-off yung camera namin.
Patrolwoman Acosta. Totoo o hindi na inutusan ka ni Colonel Quijana?
Totoo po, Your Honor.
Okay. Sino ang nag-cut ng digital video recorder? Sa pagkakaalam mo, okay, Mr. Chair, somebody's raising his hand.
You're asking about the,
Patrolman.
Congressman Busita, you're asking about the CCTV.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Sige, go ahead. Sino may kinalaman dun sa pagpuputol ng CCTV sa loob ng Unit 1811? Sige, you're raising your hand. Please state your name and your position.
I'm Patrolman Cariaga from DSOU and ako po yung nautusan na ikat po yung CCTV, sir.
Sinong nag-utos sa'yo? Patrolman Cariaga.
Police Major Quijano po.
Oh, 2 points. Police Major Quijana. Nagsisinungaling din ba ito si Patrolman Cariaga? Mr. Chair,
Congressman
Mr. Chair.
Busita, before you proceed, Vice Chairman Acop, may we remind the resource speakers to refrain from lying, If this hearing, this committee will find out that you are